Every year, the average household throws away hundreds of feet of plastic wrap, one stretched sheet at a time, most of it used for less than a day before it ends up in a landfill. It rarely seals as well as it should either, wrinkling at the edges, tearing before it even covers a bowl, letting air in and freshness out. There is a simpler fix already sitting in most kitchen drawers waiting to be discovered: reusable silicone stretch lids. Made from food-grade silicone, these lids stretch over almost any shape: a mixing bowl, an open can, even a halved avocado, and pull down into a completely airtight seal without a single inch of plastic wrap. Unlike plastic wrap, they do not tear, they do not wrinkle, and they can be washed and reused thousands of times before ever needing to be replaced. Toss them straight into the dishwasher, and they come out ready to seal the next meal. For the cost of one box of plastic wrap, a single set of these lids can replace years of throwaway waste. One bowl, one can, one avocado at a time. Check the link in our bio to grab this pick.